Hello everyone, how are you today? Hope you are fine. And did you enjoy your holiday? I did. How many interesting things did you see? I saw so many interesting things, and they make me so strong, ready to work. And I'm sure you are better prepared for school works. Bravo! The last time we met, you were in nursery 2. Oh, you never met me? I met you. Yes, you were in nursery 2. Now you are in class 1. Congratulations. That means you are now big boys and girls. In class 1, we are going to be doing so many beautiful and interesting things. So, this is the first week and the first lesson. The topic for the first lesson is elements of design. Elements of design. What are elements of design? Do we buy or make them? How can they be made? You will get answers to these questions. First, I would like you to tell me what you should be able to do at the end of this lesson. Yes, I would like you to tell me what you should be able to do at the end of this lesson. I'm listening to you. Oh, that's great. You'll be able to make some lines. Okay. All right. Now, that is what we call objectives. Yes, telling me what you should be able to do at the end of the lesson. That means you'll be able to explain what elements of design are. Yes, explain elements of design. And then identify and list them. That is, wherever you are, you should be able to identify these are elements of design. This is an element of design. And then you are able to, on your own, also draw them. I know you should be able to do that. You will be able to do that. I'm looking forward to that. Now let's see what elements of design are truly. Elements of design are what make up a design. What is this design? There are things that make your personal items beautiful. You have your pencil case. Some of them are designed, and you see them, they look beautiful with colors, or with lines, or with shapes. And you also have design on some of your book covers, on some of your dresses. So we have design. They make things beautiful almost everywhere. On cars, on your airplanes, your spaceship, you have design on their bodies to make them beautiful. So, elements of design, what are they? They are lines, colors, space, textures, and shapes. Lines, colors, space, textures, and shapes. Yes, elements of design are lines, colors, space, textures, and shapes. If I ask you now to do something, would you? And that is to try to identify some of them, these elements of design. Point them out right here on the screen. You don't need to touch the screen, however, just point them out. Can you point out the shapes? Oh, I can see you doing the right thing. Can you point out the space? Oh, wonderful. The space, just like you have space on your playground where you play around, we also need space on our paper or our drawing book to draw our lines, to draw our shapes, to draw our apples, anything we want to draw or color or paint. Yeah, you need space. Without space, you won't be able to also make your design. Can you point out the lines and the textures? Yes, we have the rough and the smooth texture. Which one is a rough texture? Oh, you are doing great. You're very wonderful. You have done very well. On your own now, you may get a piece of A4 paper and try to, yes, repeat some of them. You can try to draw the lines, or you can try to color the way you are seeing them, or draw some of the shapes. But you have done well identifying them. Bravo! In lesson 2, we shall be focusing more on the lines and what we can do with the lines, probably, or what they look like, the different type of lines we have. So you've done well today. Well done for lesson 1. We move over now to lesson 2. Lesson 2. Types of lines. There are so many types of lines. We have the horizontal line that runs from side to side, the vertical line that runs from up to down. The zigzag line looks like your M, your N, and your W, but they are all together. The zigzag. And then you have the curves line that goes in, bent, and out. Then you have the coily. It looks like scribbling. You scribble. When you scribble, and it goes on and on like that, that is the coily line. Then you have the spiral that starts from a point and it begins to go out round and round and round. That spiral. Then you have the thick and the thin line. The thick and the thin line. And then you have the lines that turn into shapes. You have the 3-sided shapes, the 4-sided shapes, the one that is round, the 5-sided shapes. Yes, they are made of lines. Then you have the diagonal line that appears to be falling or slant from right side or from the left side. Then you have cross hatching, when you have the diagonal lines now crossing themselves, and at times with the vertical line in their midst. That is cross hatching. We have the ripple and radiating lines, then the dots and the scumbling. These are the various types of lines. Now, my dear one, can you point out the horizontal line? Can you point out the dots? Oh, you are doing great. What about a thick line? Can you point it out? Now, let me see if you will be able to tell me which is a curved line. Oh, right, you're right. The top right. And the diagonal lines. Can you point them out? Oh, you've done very well. Have you done this? You are ready. Now that you are ready, we are going to the assignment. Get an A4 piece of paper. This time you are going to share the A4 piece of paper with your pencil and ruler into 4 equal parts. As you get your A4 piece of paper, get your pencil colors, and get your wax crayons. You have 4 assignments there. You have to draw and label the lines you are seeing on your screen. The line on the A, the line on the B, the C, and the D. After drawing them, you label them. That is to say, you write their names. It will be so wonderful if you're able to do this yourself. No, not daddy telling you. Anyway, they may just assist you, but they're not going to. They are not going to do it for you. You're going to do it yourself. When you are done doing it, you write your name and today's date. If today is the day you did it, or any other day you did it, you write the date. Then keep it very neatly, and then you bring it to school at resumption and submit to your ACT teacher or to your class teacher. Tell your teacher, your class teacher, that the work must get to the ACT teacher. You have done so great, my dear one. Well done. See you at school. Bye-bye.